In this video, I'll show you how to create a 3D rolling scene transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using 3D roll. This transition rolls your footage in 3D space, making the scene change feel dynamic, smooth, and cinematic. It works great for product videos, creative montages, branded content, and stylish edits. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for 3D roll. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Angle controls the direction of the roll transition. Rolls controls how many rotations happen during the transition. Amplitude controls how strong the 3D roll effect looks. Motion blur controls how smooth the rolling motion appears. Use a shorter duration for a quick, snappy roll. Use a longer duration for a smoother cinematic roll. For best results, this effect looks amazing on clips with clean compositions. And that's it. That's how you create a 3D rolling scene transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.